You wake up every day with a strange weight in your chest. You're busy, but you're not moving forward. You're tired, but not fulfilled. And deep down, you know something is wrong. You don't feel lost because you lack talent. You feel lost because your days are uncontrolled. Your phone decides your focus. Comfort decides your actions. Distractions steal hours, and fear steals momentum. You plan, you promise, you wait, and nothing changes. This is the silent trap. Not failure. Delay. You tell yourself you'll start when motivation comes back, when life feels clearer, when conditions improve. But discipline doesn't wait for clarity. Clarity comes after discipline. Here's the hard truth. No one is coming to organize your life. No one is responsible for your focus, your habits, your future, except you. Once you accept that, everything shifts. You stop blaming time. You stop blaming stress. You stop blaming the world. Rule 1 is simple. Control your mornings. The first hour decides the rest of the day. No phone, no noise, just movement, silence, and intention. If you win the morning, you weaken distraction. Rule 2. Do what is uncomfortable first. Your mind avoids effort because comfort feels safe. But comfort keeps you small. The task you avoid is the task that builds you. Do it early. Do it tired. Do it without emotion. Rule 3. Reduce your life. Not add more. Cut unnecessary habits. Cut endless scrolling. Cut useless conversations. Discipline grows in a clean environment. Less input, more action. Rule 4. Keep promises to yourself. Small ones. Daily ones. When you say you'll train, train. When you say you'll work, work. Each kept promise rebuilds trust with yourself. And self-trust is power. Rule 5. Act even when you feel nothing. Discipline is not motivation. It's movement without feeling ready. Some days you will feel focused. Most days you won't. Act anyway. That's how progress compounds. Over time, something changes. You stop feeling lost because your days have structure. Your confidence grows quietly. Your body responds. Your mind sharpens. People notice, but they won't understand how it happened. It happened because you stopped negotiating with weakness. You stopped waiting for inspiration. You chose consistency over comfort. And repetition changed your identity. This is your moment. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Right now. Close the apps. Stand up. Do the one task you've been avoiding. Then repeat tomorrow. That's how discipline is built. That's how direction is found. And that's how you become unrecognizable.